Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. We have got what I believe is the full spoilers to the BoxyCharm October box. Might not be full, there might be a couple more products that pop out from there. But I'm going to show you what I got. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my Ipsy October full spoilers. Congratulations, Ray Taylor. Ray says, hello, I got first. Well, you sure did, Ray, and I really appreciate you having your bell on. I thank you so much for taking the time to comment and watch my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick from that video. Alright, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump in. Now, I did find these on if you've ever been on Instagram, I mean, that's where I get most of my information. It is at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. Now, she has since then opened up a channel, and this is where I found these spoilers. She showed 3 different box variations. It is GlamBySuzan. I'm going to link her channel down below, but again, she's at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram. She's really good at getting early spoilers and everything. So she's amazing, guys. You got to go check her out if you ain't seen her already. So the first thing, there's going to be 7 different Color eyeshadow palettes. Now, you already know this. You've already seen them. Now, the first one is that collab palette with I Love Sari. I butchered that. I already know I pronounced that wrong, so don't come after me. But this is the palette right here. And then the other ones, you'll either get Blush and Berries, Baked Browns, then there's Snow Angels, then we have Sassy Sienna, then we have the Marvelous Mauves, then the Pretty Cool palette. So you will get 1 out of those 7 palettes. Now, they was saying there was a possible Tarte palette that you might get as a variation instead of one of these palettes, but I have yet to see that, so I'm very doubtful on that one. Now, the next thing, you'll either get the iconic London Prep Set Glow Spray, and there's 2 different colors of that one, or you'll get the Touch In Soul Glassy Balm. Now, the next thing is some more variations. You'll either get Polish Choice Exfoliant, or you'll get the Smashbox Always On Liquid Liner, or you'll get the Milk Blur Setting Spray. Now, next is the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss. You'll either get that or the Hank & Henry Slick With It dual-ended mascara. And then other stuff that we have seen is the Cella Slanted Tip Tweezers. Now, I'm not sure what that's going to be a variation for or what, but it is in these BoxyCharm ads right here. Now, I'm going to show you these ads that Suzanne pulled up on her channel, and again, you could go see these over there as well. And if you have not signed up to BoxyCharm yet, I've got them linked below. And if you use the code TRICK or TART in all caps, you'll get a free palette. You'll either get the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, or you'll get the Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette. Now, those are both valued at $45. I think that is an amazing gift. That is a sign-up gift. If you are wanting to sign up to BoxyCharm, guys, use the code. Take advantage of it. Again, they are linked below if you want to go check them out. And as always, I will update you guys if they do reveal anything else. You know, we got November spoilers coming up. I'm really excited to get them out. Now, let's read the pick comment from my last video. Congratulations, La Chica Bracket. La Chica says thank you. Well, you're welcome, La Chica, and I really appreciate you watching and commenting on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now, remember, guys, y'all want that shout out, you got to leave a comment. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my likes, my comments, my subscribers are taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you are still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? Just answer me that. Comment that below why you wouldn't be, because it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button, and then I'm going to need you to do a video for me if you would, guys. But you only got one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more small thing before you guys head out of this video. damn YouTube. If you would, please make sure your notification bell set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers, no more of my videos or nothing. You'll be ahead of everybody. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, well, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.